G'day, Paul and Kyle here from OEM Audio. We're showing you a unit we've just had made for the 200 series Toyota Landcruiser. As you can tell, it's big. How big is it? Well, it's actually 39 centimeters across, so it's near enough to 15 inches in the old term. So it's a massive screen. Has a lot of features. You can menu across the top. For example, we've got our radio here. Everything's in New Zealand English and Australian English too, if you're that way. You grab the OBD port details from the vehicle. It can have your speed on there. You can have music, apps. It has reverse camera, which is all pretty cool. You can adjust the settings in a myriad of ways: date, time. You can set up default maps. You can set up everything you want. Default video players. You can download a few things to it. It is pretty cool. The climate control air conditioning works through the displays down here, as we've seen before. You can change the heater controls and change its volume. Steering wheel controls work. We'll go into the heater control here. We can blast the heater up. Full noise if we want. You hear it crank up in the background. I'll turn that off now. But the cool real thing about them is that they have Apple Carplay and Android Auto built in. And in this one we have wireless CarPlay. So we'll just go into, I think we've got it there. We have phone link as well, mirror link. And we'll go back. And there we go, Car Auto. We've got Apple CarPlay working there completely wirelessly. So you can look at your podcasts. All the cricket stuff you can see I'm into. Go back to the main menu there. You can go onto Spotify. You can play favorite music you want to play, and better put some volume on. Just for a bit of copyright, we won't go into it too much. You can run your maps and everything off this. Google Maps running. Like, these are a big screen, and I hope on the video it may not give you the full thing, but this is, put in perspective, this is a pretty big screen. The image on it is a high definition display. It is really quite outstanding. It's quick, responsive. It's got a whole lot of features in it. The wireless CarPlay, if you're a Apple user, is a good thing. They have wired CarPlay. No one's really probably got that wireless, I should say, Android Auto down pat yet. So still a bit of a work in progress for a lot of guys, and our manufacturing partners are fairly conservative. They want them to work properly before they introduce it. So it's a very quick rundown of what this device can do. It's got AM, FM, the big reverse camera, all your steering wheel controls work. You can change tracks on the device. You can do everything you want to do. You can just do a whole lot of things with it. So that's a bit of an overview. You can buy these from us at OEM Audio. The address will be in the credits, and you can check out our website.